Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW X6. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental shapes that define the car's unique profile. Start with a large rectangle for the main body and a slightly smaller, angled one for the cabin. Pay close attention to the proportions, ensuring the wheels are positioned correctly and are about 1/4 of the car's total height. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced and accurate drawing. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the recognizable form of the BMW X6. Gently connect your basic rectangles with smooth, continuous lines, focusing on the car's muscular curves. Emphasize the signature sloped roofline and the bold, flared wheel arches. Don't forget to sketch in the distinctive kidney grille and the sleek, angular headlight designs. These details bring the car to life. With the main body established, it's time to add the finer elements. Carefully draw the circular wheel wells, then detail the rims and tires, giving them a sense of depth. Outline the windows, paying attention to their angles and the placement of the side mirrors. Next, sketch in the door lines, handles, and any subtle body creases that add to the X6's dynamic appearance. These small touches make a big difference. Finally, let's bring your drawing to life with shading and texture. Use varying pencil pressures to create shadows and highlights, giving the car a three-dimensional look and emphasizing its powerful contours. Add texture to the tires, making them appear rubbery, and to the glass, giving it a reflective quality. A metallic sheen on the body panels will truly make your BMW X6 pop. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Your finished drawing will be impressive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.